This is Jamie from the Red Bank Public Library. Welcome to Power Play for teens and adults, and the kids could join in too. Today I'm going to show you how to make a flat snow globe that could be turned into a magnet, or it could be a card or something. This is actually a photograph of my friends and I. But I'm going to show you how to make one like with little penguins. It could be any little image in there that you like. I'm also going to show you how to make an old-fashioned snow globe. Like that. Nice little simple thing. All you need is a mason jar. Okay, let's get started. First, I'm going to show you how to make the flat snow globe. For this project, you'll need an old CD, whiteout, packaging tape, a hole puncher, scissors, an image, pencil, and paper. We're going to start by using the CD to trace out a nice round circle. This is going to be our pattern. And then we're going to cut it out. Now we'll lay the pattern flat down on the table. And now comes our packaging tape. We're going to put strips down. And it's going to be the sticky side up, and it'll take about 3 strips. The strips of tape should be longer than the length of the circle. Every time we put down a new strip of tape, we want it to overlap with the first one so it sticks together and makes a nice sheet. All strips of paper should be sticky side up, and this is so we can stick our image on. Now it's time to cut out the image. I'm going to use scissors, but some people like to use X-Acto knives because it's more accurate. I used white paper to cut out a little hill for my penguins to stand on, and I'm going to allow it to just stick right here. Notice how I have the circle pattern still underneath the sticky pad we made. The pattern will help us judge where to stick our images. Now I'll place the penguins on top of the hill. I also had a hole puncher that cut out little snowflake shapes, so I'm going to stick some of those on. I'm also using a regular hole puncher to create big flakes of snow. For the smaller flakes, I'm going to use liquid whiteout, and I'm just going to dab it in a few places, and then I'll wait for it to dry for a few minutes before putting another layer of tape on top. Seal everything in. After everything is laminated, it should look like this. Now use the pattern to cut out the image, and you might want to tape it to the laminated paper so it doesn't shift around. When you're done cutting out the circle, you can take the pattern off and the tape, and here you have your laminated snow globe. You can leave the snow globe as it is, or you can attach a little stand on it using another piece of paper. And that's how you make a flat snow globe. You could write a little message and send it to someone, or you could just put a magnet on the back and hang it on your refrigerator. Now I'm going to show you how to make a simple snow globe. For this project, you'll need a mason jar, hot glue, a small item to stick inside, warm water, 2 ounces of clear glue, a spoon, and some glitter. For my small item, I'm going to be making a little snowman, and I'm doing that with 2 ping pong balls, pipe cleaners, googly eyes, and a little fabric. First, you're going to unscrew the lid. And mason jars are really good because they have this little seal here. That will keep the jar from leaking. And this is also where we're going to be attaching our small item. First, I'm going to create a little indentation in the ping pong ball so it doesn't start rolling around. And I'll use hot glue to attach it to the top of the mason jar lid. Whatever item you're sticking on, you want to press down and make sure it's really secure. Now I'm going to build my snowman by attaching everything with hot glue. After you have your item nice and secured on the top of the lid, it's time to put water into the mason jar. You're going to fill the mason jar with warm water. Make sure to leave a little air in the top. Now you're going to put in some Elmer's washable clear glue. This is to help the glitter and snow fall more solely. After you put the Elmer's glue in, you're going to stir it in the warm water. Now you could put in your snow. It could be glitter or it could be little sequins. So, funny story, I didn't bring a glitter home from the library because I thought I had some, but it turns out I don't. So I'm going to try to scrape some of this glitter off of these glittery letters. I found this little snow globe while I was looking around the house, so I'm going to have the snowman hold it. I'm going to mix in the glitter and sequins. Then I'll put my top on. And that's how you create your own little snow globe. Thank you so much for coming to Power Play. And the code word for this event is Small World. So just type that in and then you'll get your badge. Make sure to check the events calendar on the Read Squared app or redbanklibrary.readsquared.com to find out about our other events for kids, teens, and adults.